At this point, I've pretty much made it my mission to try out different types of hair extensions, and curly K-tips have been on my mind for the longest time. So I finally pulled the trigger and I invested in one of the most expensive and apparently the most undetectable hair extensions on the market. You're coming to my salon appointment with me. I'm located outside of Toronto in the GTA, so let's go to Salon West where Tamia is going to take care of my hair and get me situated. Let's go.
What are your main things that you want with these extensions?
I want it to be something where it has movement.
Yeah.
That's why I was hoping that K-tips would be the best for that, where I can feel like I can kind of toss it around. I can treat it like it's my own hair. A bit of volume and a bit of length, but nothing too crazy.
Okay, so we are trying to match more of your density, but a little bit thicker, a little more length is what you're looking for.
Yes.
But something where you're still able to have it very natural, do your natural things that you would do when you have it curly. Yeah?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's K-tips definitely is the right choice for that. I think you'll have fun with it because you do have a 360 range of motion, right? So you will be able to put it up. I don't recommend doing super tight ponies. That can definitely give you a tension headache or like some pulling. Okay? So yeah, you brought in 200 grams. I think we'll probably use maybe around 170.
Okay.
Just to kind of keep it still light. But yes, we're gonna start with just blow dried. After that, we'll style curly. Okay? 2 different colors to give her the perfect blend.
This is gonna look so good.
Yes.
K-tips have this tiny little tip at the end, and I'll show you how they're installed. But they're supposed to be the most undetectable extension, so we'll see. Now you guys are seeing my hair fully blown out, but my natural hair is, of course, curly like the extensions. My hair looks pretty long when it's blown out, but when it's curly, it's obviously a few inches shorter. This is like a day 3 or 4 hairstyle, so it looks a bit crazy. I definitely have a bit of heat damage, but I'm excited for the extensions because I feel like they're gonna kind of hide that. And what I'm most excited for is that I ordered some pieces with the K-tips that are a bit lighter. The cool thing about K-tips is, as you can see, they're attached like pretty much individually to the tiniest sections of your hair. So you can add highlights, you can add different tones into your hair, and it will really look like you got your hair done, just simply because the extensions are attached to such small pieces. I also feel like because they're attached to such small pieces, it's not as much tension on your hair if done correctly. I mean, you can see how much detail Tamia is putting into this. She's really sectioning everything individually. She's making sure each piece is not too heavy for my hair to handle. And when you pull my hair back, it's invisible. You can't see anything.
We already did this much, and it literally feels so lightweight.
Feels light?
Yeah, it feels so good.
Would you like it to be more brighter? Would you like me to put more of the brighter, lighter pieces in it than the brown?
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
This hairstyle is not a joke. Oh my god, the amount of detail that goes into this, it literally took 7 hours. I didn't think it was going to take that long. Like, I thought she was just making it sound like it was going to be longer, but no, it really took 7 hours because you have to be so particular with each strand so that you don't break any of your hair.
This is how it looks so far. It feels so full. I'm so excited. We don't even have that much hair left. You can see the curly pieces are the extensions, and the pieces that are a bit more straight are my hair because we blew out my hair, but once it's styled, it's gonna look so
One
good
of the
together.
biggest questions that I think I had in my mind when I was looking into this hairstyle was how they're attached and how it looks in your head. I really couldn't find a lot of videos showing that, so I really wanted to capture a lot of clips showing you guys the detail of the rows, how your hair is sectioned off, what it looks like in your head. One of the biggest things that made me want to get K-tips was that I need to focus on my scalp health. I can't have a weave. I can't have something where I'm not able to wash my scalp properly. I feel like for me, that's like so uncomfortable. I get really bad dandruff if I do that. And yeah, I'm just trying to focus on my scalp health as a part of my hair health. So K-tips felt like the right move because I'm still getting the length, but I'm not having to sacrifice my texture or my scalp access. Now for me as well, it was really, really nice to find pre-dyed extensions in my color. That's why I was excited about these ones from Locally. But at the end of the video, I'll share another vendor if you're looking for where to get K-tips, because I know that was another struggle for me, is finding curly K-tips that actually will match my texture. I'm so proud to say that I have not straightened my hair once since I got these in because I love how they look so bad. Like, Damn, this is going to be an expensive habit because I love these. Let's look at the final result. I love how my hair looks, you guys. It's so pretty. It really just looks like it's growing out of my scalp. It's crazy. I literally have just been sitting here like taking videos of myself because I can't get over how good my hair looks. It looks so good. I think the thing that I love most about this install is it literally just feels like it's my hair. Like, it does not feel like I have extensions in. It does not feel heavy. My scalp is accessible. The hair blends seamlessly. Like, there's no telling what's my hair and what's the extension. I feel like this is actually going to be really hard when I take it out because I'm going to be like, oh my God, I'm bald. She's bald and she's hurting people. It's literally how I'm going to feel when I take these extensions out. This is bad. I'm going to tell you, don't get K-tip extensions because you're going to be addicted. Like, I already know that I could never go back to another extension type. Okay, so for hair details, I used Locally hair extensions. This is a brand that has curly extensions, straight extensions. They come pre-dyed and they sell them in 18 and 22 inches. They're a Canadian company and I went with them because I wanted my hair to be pre-dyed. Like, I just felt like that would be easier for me and my stylist. And honestly, the color blend is so good. She did not have to color my hair at all. I feel like it gave me highlights. I love it. It's like no damage, but I got a little bit of like a highlight look. The curl pattern on these ones are a 2A, but when you diffuse it, it's more of like a 3B. And I do think that's very true. Like, it really gave me the curl that matches my texture perfectly. Stylist also did sell curly K-tip extensions, but hers weren't pre-dyed. And I just felt like the pre-dyed aspect was like a huge benefit to me. But these extensions were expensive and I had to use my mom's hair license to get them because you have to have a hair license to be able to order from this website. So I just got my mom to make an account for me and then I went on and ordered, and that was very worth it, although they were still really expensive. I think I spent like $1,200 on this hair. Now, if you are looking for somewhere to get curly K-tips, I do actually have another vendor that you can go through. Their website is called iQueenLA. I'll link it down below in the description if you're curious. I've ordered tape-ins from them. I've ordered clip-ins from them. I've ordered wefts from them, and that's usually where I go to get my hair. They have a lot of different types of curly hair, and they even can customize it. So if there's a certain style of curl that you're looking for, they can turn it into K-tips. They're probably a lot more affordable. I did contact them to see like if I could get some hair, but I was worried that it wasn't going to come in time because they would have had to customize the curl pattern that I wanted. So I didn't end up ordering from them. And honestly, I think that's fine because I really like this hair and I like the way it turned out. I love the color. I love that it was pre-dyed. I think it just made the whole process a lot easier. But if you are looking for another place to get curly K-tips, I will link that down below. I'm not going to gatekeep. I've ordered a lot of different things from that website and I love their hair. Anyway, let me know what you think of this hair. What do you think of this style? Would you try K-tips? Have you tried K-tips? I'll definitely follow up with like an aftercare video and let you know how they're working for me. Maybe we'll do like a wash and go together and see how it goes. But I absolutely am obsessed. So let me know what you think. Are they truly undetectable? Like, are these giving undetectable to you? Because to me, they are giving completely undetectable. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'll try to answer any questions down there. Love you guys. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.